I feel today like a Heinz 57 ketchup again. A lot of takeovers. I'm sitting down. I got the sun on me. No DJI Mic 2 and the DJI Osmo Action 4. And I left the Pocket 3 home. And I got here is the Cannondale Adventure 2. I'm talking nice and loud so you can hear me to the camera. If I talk nice and low, you're not going to hear a word I said. If I talk nice and low, you're not going to hear a word I said. So that's why my voice projects to the camera and does a good job. I'm going to show you can hear that beep in the background nice and loud. Then over my voice. That's why I kept silent. You're looking to get a camera. If it's an Insta360 model, a GoPro model, a DJI model, or any camera model out there on the market, be happy with what you got or what you can afford. Because not all cameras have everything in them. And you'll learn that down the road if you're new to cameras. So why would I recommend? I don't recommend anymore for the reasons of it's not my money I'm spending. I'm very pleased with what I got. And you'll take a look at what I do, what I share, and what I talk about and figure out if that's the right product for you. It's really that simple. You want to go have fun? You want to go in the water? Maybe the DJI Osmo Action 4 is the right camera. But what happens if the DJI Osmo Action 5 down the road comes out, for example, and it has that powerful 1-inch sensor, 1.13 inch sensor, like the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. And it has everything that the Pocket 3 has in it, plus image stabilization known as rock steady, horizon steady, horizon balance. You'll be amazed. Well, people are out there already pushing for what they want in the Pocket 4, the Osmo 5, the GoPro Hero 13. And yet we're ready to hear the Insta360 Pro 2 and the Basic 2. I don't think there is anything that I want that all these cameras have in the camera. I like to get better lighting, so when winter comes, and nighttime is earlier and daytime is a lot later, and I go out in the wee hours to get those shots. So I'm happy I got the Action 4 that I could get out there like right now during the daytime, and then take the Pocket 3 and use it at that time. Yeah, man, these cameras, they do just fine. I'm much happier holding the Action 4. I don't feel any wiggle, any looseness that the base cradle offers. Of the Pocket 4, of the Pocket 3, that is. I like that I could grab the Action 4, hit the quick start, and be real fast, ready for video, as well as shutting down without the gimbal calibration start and closure. I like the fact that you can see the background crisp and clear. Oh, look at that, the scooter, the person fell. They're having a bokeh. And on that note, I'm Fish. I said a lot, did a lot, talked a lot, and gave you some information. I'm on out of here. catch on the next day.